Hi guys, it's Ashwini and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well and are safe and happy. I am back with another exciting haul video from Meesho. So join me as I dive into the world of Meesho hauls, where I will be showcasing the latest in jewelry and accessory organizers, from trendy trinkets to must-have storage solutions. I will be guiding you through the ultimate Meesho Maha savings sale, which is currently live and beaming with incredible deals. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications to stay updated on all things style and savings. Go ahead and elevate your accessory game together. Let's go ahead and start with the very first item. I will be playing the try on clip for you guys as always. The prices will be mentioned on the screen and all the links for the products will be mentioned in the description box below, so don't forget to check that out. Also, there are a lot of things that I wanted to show you guys, but I was super excited. I did not wanted you guys to miss out on purchasing these products during the sale time, so I thought of showing you guys whatever I could find and did not wanted to delay it. So yes, whatever I wasn't able to show you guys, I will link those items as well in the description box below, so don't forget to check that out. And yes, let's go ahead and start with the very first item, which is this particular storage box. This is a velvet earring storage case. I have shown you this particular product in my previous jewelry haul from Meesho as well, and it is such an amazing product. You can see I have already been using this to store my earrings and stuff. This is just a few of them, but it fits about 16 pair of earrings, and I bought this one for just 186 rupees. And again, a beautiful storage solution if you do not want to mess up. Like if you have some expensive earrings, you can definitely store all of them in one place. So yeah, this is the first item. Okay, so let's go ahead and move on to the next item of the haul, which is this particular product. This is a 6-rod bangle storage pouch, you can say. So it has about 6 pillows where you can store all your bangles individually, and it has this zip closure. You can definitely see it on the try on clip. Let me just show you one of the pillows. So you get this individual pillows, so you can put all your bangles and you can store them in this pouch. So this is how it looks. It has the separate like dividers, and once you have stored all your bangles, it will fluff, like open up a little bit more. So yeah, this is the next item that I wanted to show you guys. It's a beautiful storage solution if you are like do not have a lot of bangles, but of course are not also like you do. If you do not have a lot of space where you can store it, you can definitely use these kind of products to store all your bangles in one place, because I keep them in individual boxes and that is not ideal. So that is the reason I bought this one, and it costed me 158 rupees only, and super excited to use them. I will definitely show you the try on. I think you've already seen it. So yeah, I love it so much. So let's go ahead and move on to the next item of the haul, which is going to be this watch organizer, which I bought for just rupees 365, and it is this beautiful watch organizer. It has 6 slots. I will play the try on clip for you guys where I have organized few of my watches and Arjun's watches in this particular organizer, so that you can get a better idea of this particular box. Also, you get multiple options to pick and choose from. I bought the 6 slot watch organizer, but there are certain options that also give you 10 and 12 watch organizer options. So yes, you can definitely pick and choose from styles as well for the number of slots. Again, a beautiful watch organizer. You can see all the watches from outside, and it is very sturdy. It is not flimsy at all. This is also very sturdy. It is not going to damage any of your watches. I really liked it, and I'm definitely going to keep this one. And move on to the next item of the haul, which is going to be another jewelry organizer. It's this particular acrylic uh, jewelry organizer, which has two layers to organize your jewelry. Currently I have um, all my hoops on the top, and then I have some larger earrings at the bottom. You can definitely, it is not just meant to be for earrings. I have kept earrings in this one, and I have ordered another one for my rings and stuff. I'll show you that as well. I thought of getting these because they are super spacious, and you can definitely keep multiple things in it. I love the color. So this is how it actually looks like, and it has 6 sections at the bottom and about 18 on top. So you can definitely store a lot of items in this particular storage. The material is acrylic, so it won't like break that easily. You have to make sure that it is kept properly and it does not get into hands of your kids. So yeah, this one I bought for 187 rupees only. And the next item of the haul is this one. This is another organizer where you can keep your junk jewelry or chunky jewelry, or also you can store your nail paints and cosmetics, which are like tiny or miniatures. So also you get 3 layers and a good handle to carry it around. So I'll just show you one of the layers. So you get these dividers in every layer of the box. You can place the dividers in the box. You can see it in the try on clip, of course, and you get 3 layers like this. And I bought this particular organizer for 123 rupees only. Again, you can divide it into 18 grids. So yeah, this is the next storage option that you can definitely go for, and it is multi-layer, so it is going to save a lot of space in your vanity. So let's go ahead and move on to the last item of the haul, which is going to be this particular jewelry organizer, where you can store multiple multiple jewelry sets in one particular bag, and it is a fantastic travel friendly option as well. So let me show you. You can store up to 9 jewelry sets. So if you are attending a particular wedding function or anything as such, you can see this is how it looks like. So you get 8 pockets like this, and you also get additional one on top. You can store your jewelry sets separately, or not just jewelry set. If you want to carry your jewelry set, then you have specific earrings that you want to carry, and pile and whatnot, bangles in one of the pockets, and all of that can be stored in just one bag itself. So it is a very travel friendly option. Also, if you want to store all your jewelry sets in one place and do not want to keep it in different storage boxes, this is a perfect option for you guys. I bought this one for 206 rupees only. So basically all the items that I've shown you guys, most of the items are under 250 rupees. The most expensive item of the haul is going to be about 370 rupees only. So that is the most expensive item of the haul. And yes, that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed watching today's video, and I will see you guys in the next one. And just to let you guys know again, the Meesho Maha saving sale is live now, so don't forget to go ahead and shop your hearts out, and I will see you guys in the next one. Until then, take care. Bye bye.